This brand is made in China for sale on Amazon, but the guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not as good as other brands. The A1 has an 8,000 BTU cooling capacity and uses environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant. The units use a single exhaust hose, which is less efficient because cool air is constantly being removed from the room and is replaced by outside air, which has to be cooled. They have 3 fan speeds with 4-way auto swing louvers, which provides enhanced air circulation throughout the room. They only have a basic mesh washable filter, which does not do much to improve the room's air quality. The units use self-evaporating technology, where the condensate from the air conditioner is used to cool the condenser coil, which helps the efficiency and minimizes the need to empty a condensate pan. The JHS14 models have a 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, and they are relatively quiet in operation with a 53 decibel sound rating. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.